everyone, hope everyone is doing well. I'm going to make a commentary video on a spiritual topic, the play of five elements. So basically there are five elements: air, water, earth, fire and space. So let me just tell you that in spirituality we say that I have learnt in inner engineering a concept of Isha Foundation that a mind and a body is the physical body, and there is the component called energy, and there is a component called bliss. So what I'm going to try and say right now is about that 72% of a body is made up of water. These all five elements play a big role in making a composition of a human being as a whole. So that's what we call holistic health. And you can see that the earth is also made up of 72% of water, and that's a very coincidence that even our body is made up of 72% of water. So we should eat food which contains nearly about that composition of water, so that our intake of water composition in our body remains the same. It's in the category of health and spirituality. So we should also see that when a glass of water is there and it just falls on the ground, it changes its shape. Yeah, we know that okay, it's liquid, so it changes its shape. But when we drink the water, it becomes, as according to spirituality, then the I is the water, right? So in that sense, even when we breathe, we take the air inside and we can see the shape of a body change, and when we exhale, we bring the air outside. So what the thing is, in meditation, our breath and our thoughts should coordinate. So air is a great symbol of intellect. So when we are coordinating a thought with our breath, so that means our whole intellect, and we become more calm and everything. So we can just realize that, and we can see that how our body is intaking the air when it's changing its form and shape as we breathe in or as we inhale. So our earth, for example, that's also an element, and that's in a small proportion, but how important it is. So walking barefoot on mud, or maybe taking a mud bath, or feeling soil, I mean, when we feel something as very good, it's just a matter of bringing what we feel into our consciousness and giving attention to how we feel when we are intact with those elements. So when we are upon a seashore, suppose, so that means we are on water, even the soil. So that means we feel very good that time, because we should bring attention that how our feet is touching the soil and how the water is coming, and that's how we get exposed to these elements. So we are suggested to wear loose clothes, because their space is there. So when the space is there, it helps our body to be in intact with all the five elements of nature. Our whole nature, our whole park, our whole environment is made up of these five elements. So all elements should be in the right combination, and we should keep drinking water as frequently as possible, but not too much, because too much of water can cause some kind of not headache, but then there are some other things which might happen. So we should drink water in minimal amount, so that our body has that much of water, that 72% is made up of. And we've seen that many yogis and mystics go to upper Himalayas and just be exposed to air, and then breathe in, breathe out, and that air component, so that to increase the level of consciousness for the spiritual world. So I would also say that these yogis and mystics, we've seen many yogis and mystics just roaming around without clothes. That's also because so that they are exposed to those five elements which are available in our environment. always tight fitting clothes are never are going to not create space, and that would also not feel comfortable. Whatever we feel good, we should understand it, we should bring awareness for it. That's a big word, but then we can pay attention to it so that we feel good. And when these 5 elements in our body are in the right composition and in the right proportion, then that is a good health, and that is what we feel healthy and good and complete. So the fundamental composition of who you are should not change. Thank you.